Hi. I'm in the hostel. Like, I'm in the bunk. I'm in the top bunk. I'm in the top bunk. Oh, pardon my cleaves. There's still some sunshine. And it should be out. But I feel a bit tired. Kinda just wanna chill here for a bit. Good thing the sun sets quite late, so yeah, let's chill together. I hope you don't mind the cliff because it's really showing. So and I think I may have understood better now because I rewatched the 4 videos that I made before I got here, and I was being too hard on myself, quite frankly. Maybe you've also noticed if you watched the first 3 videos and then the fourth one with a weird angle. Maybe you've also noticed I was being too hard on myself, aren't I? Like, it's not really stiff at all, and it doesn't sound weird or anything. I was actually I did like how do you call this, like, I've said the things I wanted to say better than I thought when I was trying to recall it earlier, when I still haven't watched it. I thought it sounded so weird and so fake and all this. I'm so worried about being fake. Did you notice that? It's a bit irritating how worried I am about being fake when all I am doing is being honest in these things. So I will try to tip the boat away from that direction, because once I became too overly focused on that, and then the more it will sound like that. You know how they say, what you look for is what you see, like they said. Your perception distorts the reality. Yeah, I'm distorting my own sense of honesty by trying to perceive it from another pair of eyes that aren't very kind or something. Like, I have imaginary criticisms which I should work on, but I'm actually quite surprised that it turned out better than I expected. And I guess also that's just the first day of the trip sort of state of mind, isn't it? You're in a new place, you don't understand the things that are happening or what people are saying. And even though I feel joy, there is that kind of animal instinct of having some kind of fear that, oh, this is not my usual environment. I found myself in a different environment in just like this. So the adjustment period is there, and I'm glad that I have an understanding of this also, so I won't be too harsh on myself. And I'm also glad that the process is quicker now of understanding my own mind and my own feelings, and it doesn't really take much of an effort for me anymore to be more loving and be more kind towards my own self. And that brings me to a question of, Barbara, are you kind to yourself? Are you kind to yourself? How do you show kindness to yourself? Because I feel like you are kind to yourself by the way you have treated me, but also I know for a fact that people can treat other people very kindly, and at the same time they could be hypercritical of themselves. Yeah, I know that for a fact. And yes, that's the question. Are you kind to yourself? And how, I'm curious how you show this